Good morning. We are going to show you the multifunctional tailgate on the 2019 GMC Sierra. Just to show you, you can open the initial tailgate a couple of different ways. You can either do it with the key fob by hitting the key fob twice. There is a toggle in the cab that you can also use, or to start the process, just hit the bottom button. Lowers the tailgate. As you can see, it didn't slam down. It's an easy lowering tailgate. Next, the next function, this will drop down. What this will do, it allows you to move in, work closer to the bed itself. Next, you can actually drop this down and step into the bed as well. Okay? If you would like, you can also raise this up, and as you can see, this sticks up so that you can have, if you have extra long cargo, it won't come flying out the back of the bed. Flipping this down gives you a nice workspace. And when I say workspace, there's actually a 400-watt outlet over there so that you can hook up your computer, whatever you'd want to do, and you've got a fully functional outdoor workspace as well. And with that, that should show you all the functions of the new tailgate for 2019.